Hey, let's pretend for a second that I'm at a campsite. I'm in my backyard, but let's pretend I'm walking this camping stove with this case to my campsite, and it's perfect and it's very convenient, and I think you'll like it. Hey, I'm Steve, and that's my brand new Coleman Triton camping stove, but I needed a way to carry it, so Coleman stepped in for the win. Now, I'm a big fan of Coleman. I've been using it all my life. One of the reasons I like Coleman is they keep things simple. So I kind of liken this case to like a camping stove briefcase or a suitcase. One of the things that I really liked about this case, this carrying case, is on the end, they give you 2 pockets to store your propane bottles. While I've got this laid out on the table, let's just do a quick little measurement. It won't be totally exact, but it's about 33 inches wide, and the height is around close to 20 inches. The inside is very spacious, and they do have a divider. There's my Coleman Triton stove on the inside. It fits perfect. Probably got another inch and a half to spare. Now, if I put a fatter stove in here, I've got plenty of extra room this way. All right, there it is, my stove inside, standing on its ends, got the carry handles. I'm really digging it because this is going to make it easy to carry my camping stove around. All right, here I have put my propane bottles in the side pockets. They fit perfectly, and you always need 2 of them. That's just one of the things that I like about Coleman. They always just kind of think of everything and make it simple and easy. Hey, let's pretend for a second that I'm at a campsite. I'm in my backyard, but let's pretend I'm walking this camping stove with this case to my campsite, and it's perfect and it's very convenient, and I think you'll like it.